Hello, I'm not happy today and I'm not even excited about this because I'm really in a sad mood because in many days I was using I have this Bluetooth ear headphone and I wanted it to connect with my laptop and because the headphone that I was using, the earphone I was using to connect with the laptop, it got broken yesterday. So I try to connect with it, but it didn't work because they don't have my laptop don't have the option of Bluetooth. I search on YouTube. I did many things. I even installed it from Google, but it didn't work. I don't know what should I do next because I don't want to buy another earphone to plug it in there. I want like it to be connected with this, no. And there was a shop here of computer and he like gone. I just remember that he is gone from that place from like 1 year ago, and I just find it now, and it is disgusting because I wasted my 2 hours last night to fix that thing, and I have also wasted my 2 hours now to fix that, and I don't think it's fixable from me. Let's see what other people can do because there is no other person in here like a computer engineer or something who know how to fix this. It's disgusting. I mean, I went to the computer manager. I try there to what they say add a legacy device something. I also add a network adapter here. From there I add a Bluetooth, but it was not connected because I don't know. They say that code was incorrupted, and when I installed a new one, they say the file was not founded. I mean, I downloaded from Intel. I downloaded a um, 259 MB's data also. That I thought it will work, but that also didn't work. So I'm in really sad mood, and these all are like a sad news also. But there is no anything excited about news. I mean, yesterday there was 22 soldiers, army soldiers, have died in some Naxalis attack. I mean, these are the people, the Naxalis, that the what they say, the Buddhijeevi try to like praise them or give them a definition of Bhagat Singh or Krantikari or freedom fighter or something. They give them that definition. These people are killers, and our urban Naxals promote them. And this is the result. What will you get from it? No, you have. I mean, the Naxals attacks been like really widely on Chhattisgarh, but when the Congress government came back in the power in there, it had started again with on a big scale. I mean, Chhattisgarh is like hub for Naxalis, but it was on the ground from like 10 or 15 years. But now they are like increasing their area, and they have guts to like kill our soldiers. That's not good. I mean, what can we do now? And there is also the corona is also rising, and I just heard that my exam will be conducted, and next week I'm going to have a timetable or something. like that. And on that timetable I will know it will be open book or not. And if it is not open book, then I will be more sad. It's the saddest video ever. I don't know what to talk. I don't want to talk.